When it comes to camping, bushcraft, yard work, or general outdoor prep, a good hatchet is one of the most useful tools you can carry. In this video, I've put together a list of the best hatchets under $50 that deliver outstanding value for the price. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly hatchet for chopping, splitting, or survival use, this list will help you pick the right one. Number 1. Fiskars X7 Hatchet. The Fiskars X7 is one of the most popular budget hatchets for camping, splitting kindling, and general outdoor work. It features a strong forged steel blade that stays sharper longer, making it reliable for repeated use. The 5.12-inch blade offers a great balance between chopping power and control, while the 1.4-pound weight makes it easy to swing even during long sessions. Its lightweight handle feels comfortable, and the compact size makes it ideal for backpackers who want a dependable cutting tool without adding bulk. Whether you're preparing firewood or clearing a trail, the Fiskars X7 delivers excellent performance at an affordable price. Number 2. KSEIBI Camping Hatchet. The KSEIBI Camping Hatchet gives you solid durability with a fiberglass handle that absorbs shock, reducing hand fatigue during chopping. The forged steel blade features a straight, sharp cutting edge that works well for carving, splitting, and shaping wood. Weighing only 1.3 pounds with a 4.13-inch blade, this hatchet is lightweight but still capable of handling serious campsite tasks. The 600-gram head provides enough force for splitting small logs, making it a great companion for campers, hikers, and DIY users. Number 3. Estwing Sportsman's Camping Hatchet. Known for their high-quality metal tools, the Estwing Sportsman's Hatchet is crafted from a single piece of steel, offering unmatched durability in this price range. The genuine leather handle gives it a premium feel and provides a comfortable, slip-resistant grip. This compact 14-inch hatchet features a 3.25-inch straight-edge blade, giving you excellent control for detailed carving or chopping tasks. At 1.86 pounds, it has noticeable power without feeling too heavy. If you're prepping firewood, cutting branches, or handling camp chores, this hatchet is built to last and backed by Estwing's strong reputation. Number 4. Gerber Gear Pack Hatchet. Designed for lightweight carry, the Gerber Gear Pack hatchet is perfect for campers who want a compact but capable tool. The stainless steel blade features a tall grind, offering excellent sharpness and smooth cutting performance. It weighs only 16 ounces, making it easy to pack with your gear. The handle combines nylon, rubber, steel, and plastic, giving you an ergonomic, slip-resistant feel even when your hands are wet. With a 590-gram head and a limited lifetime warranty, this hatchet is built for reliability during chores like chopping small logs, shaving wood, and campsite cleanup. Number 5. Intertool Camping Hatchet. The Intertool Camping Hatchet is built with a fiberglass and rubber handle for excellent shock absorption and comfort. The carbon steel head holds a sharp edge and is strong enough for cutting branches, splitting kindling, and general camp use. Weighing 2 pounds with a 1.3-pound head, this hatchet packs plenty of power for its size. The red and black color scheme improves visibility around the campsite, so the hatchet is easy to spot among your gear. Durable, affordable, and well-balanced, it's a reliable tool for campers and homeowners. Number 6. Freelander Tactical Hatchet. The Freelander Tactical Hatchet features a rugged design with a stainless steel blade and a fiberglass handle for long-lasting performance. The 3.9-inch blade offers a sharp plain-edge cutting surface, making it useful for chopping, slicing, and carving. The Viking-style head shape adds extra impact power, while the 1.3-pound weight keeps it easy to handle. Whether you're clearing brush, preparing campfires, or using it as a survival tool, this hatchet offers versatility at a budget-friendly price. Number 7. Coleman Camping Axe. The Coleman Camping Axe is a dependable and budget-friendly option, featuring a strong steel handle with a comfortable non-slip rubber grip. Its straight-edge alloy steel blade measures 3 inches, making it great for chopping small logs, splitting kindling, and gear maintenance. At 2 pounds with a 1.5-pound head, this hatchet delivers powerful strikes while maintaining balance and control. Coleman is known for durable outdoor gear, and this hatchet continues that tradition with its simple but effective design. Number 8. SOG Survival Hatchet. The SOG Survival Hatchet is built for lightweight portability, weighing only 1 pound, which makes it great for backpacking and emergency kits. The stainless steel blade comes with either a plane or chisel edge, offering flexibility for cutting, scraping, and carving tasks. The nylon handle provides durability while keeping weight down, and the classic black design adds a tactical look. It's ideal for prepping firewood, clearing paths, and performing survival tasks, and its compact size makes it easy to carry anywhere. Number 9. Hitdudu Camping Hatchet. The Hitdudu Camping Hatchet uses a fiberglass handle for durability and vibration reduction. The 4.1-inch blade gives you a long cutting surface, and the lightweight 0.26-pound head provides fast, controlled swings. Overall, the hatchet weighs 1.7 pounds, offering a great balance of power and portability. Its compact size makes it an excellent tool for backpackers, hikers, and campers who want practical performance without extra bulk. Number 10. Lexivon V14 Camping Hatchet. The Lexivon V14 stands out for its Grade A high carbon steel blade that provides exceptional strength and long-lasting sharpness. The 14-inch blade length makes it a versatile tool for splitting, chopping, and carving. Its fiberglass handle is described as virtually unbreakable, with shock-resistant and weatherproof properties, along with a non-slip TPR grip for maximum control. If you're looking for a modern hatchet that fixes the flaws found in older designs, this upgraded version offers great performance at a low price. Number 11. Vaughn VN2-0420 Hatchet. The Vaughn VN2-0420 hatchet is built tough for heavy-duty tasks. A rugged tool ideal for construction sites, campsite chores, or emergency situations. It features a hickory wood handle that delivers classic balance and shock absorption, paired with a 3.5-inch blade designed for precise chopping or splitting work. With an overall weight of 2.2 pounds and a sturdy build, this hatchet brings more power behind every swing than lighter camping-only tools. If you need to split small logs, cut branches, or perform woodwork around a cabin or campsite, the Vaughn hatchet brings reliability and strength. Number 12. RoverTac Multi-Tool Camping Hatchet. The RoverTac Multi-Tool Camping Hatchet isn't just a hatchet, it's a full multi-tool designed for versatility in outdoor and emergency situations. In addition to its axe functionality, it integrates pliers, wire cutters, a knife, a saw, screwdrivers, a can or bottle opener, file, and wrenches, making it a 14-in-1 tool. Weighing roughly 0.93 pounds, it stays light enough for backpacks or bug-out kits while packing a lot of utility. This is ideal for campers, hikers, or survival-minded users who want to minimize gear without sacrificing capability. Number 13. WorkPro Axe and Fixed Blade Knife Combo Set. If versatility and preparedness matter most, the WorkPro Combo Set offers 2 essential tools in one package. The hatchet portion is about 10 inches overall, with a handle around 5.25 inches, weighing roughly 0.36 kilograms, light enough for carry, yet capable enough for chopping kindling or small logs. Alongside it, the fixed blade knife offers a larger cutting surface, useful for bigger chopping tasks or camp work that requires more leverage. The set comes with a belt loop sheath, making it easy to carry on camping trips or outdoor excursions. Number 14. Mossy Oak 12-inch Camping Hatchet. For those prioritizing portability and ease of carry, the Mossy Oak 12-inch Camping Hatchet is a compact and lightweight solution. With a fiberglass or nylon handle and stainless steel blade, this hatchet balances durability and ease of handling. Weighing only about 0.86 pounds, it's among the lightest hatchets on this list. A good match for backpackers, hikers, or anyone looking to save weight without compromising basic woodcutting and campsite needs. Number 15. Camillus Camtrax Hatchet. The Camillus Camtrax Hatchet combines practicality with a rugged build, making it a strong budget choice for campers and outdoor workers alike. Its glass-filled nylon handle provides strength and resistance to weather wear, while the 4-inch stainless steel blade with a 1.5-pound head offers solid chopping power. At 1.9 pounds, it delivers enough heft for splitting wood or chopping branches, yet remains manageable for regular use. This hatchet is well suited for chopping firewood, clearing campsite brush, or preparing materials for shelter or fire. And that wraps up my list of the best hatchets under $50. Whether you need something for camping, emergency kits, backyard jobs, or general outdoor projects, these budget options give you solid performance without breaking the bank. If this video helped you find the right hatchet, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss more gear guides just like this.